How about it? Another close-stroke dog walk. Over by the creek, she's having her some water. It looks pretty clear. It's clean. Clean enough. It's not really meltwater in this case, but she's having a good time. We're out here at the Gap. Templeton Gap in Union. Used to live up in the mountains. This is about the third hour. Probably have another hour to go. I'm pushing it. I'm giving it 3 hours today. That's pretty much not only my max, but well, I saw one of my physical therapists today. I had an appointment with my physical therapist. It's going to be hard to climb, but we're going to have to. We're going to have to climb up. And now, help her. There we go. We're good. Yeah. And of course, the terrain isn't easy here. That's why we picked it. We pretty much took the sidewalk to this area. And now we're on a walk in very difficult terrain. I'm breathing heavy doing it, but it's turning out to be good. We're getting somewhere. My physical therapist said it was this muscle here that's just weak, and it was showing us weakness at the last part of the quick walk. So that's good to know. I'm not misstepping. I can only step at a certain speed. Anything faster. But yeah, it's been 6 months since my Fontaine artery was too constricted. The top left Fontaine artery was far too constricted to. I woke up, the brain had disconnected from the muscles of the right side of the body, a bunch of them. And I was like, wow. Which it's called ipsilateral hemiparesis. And then my face was, my face also sagged. And I was flopping around like a fish. My whole right side was paralyzed. I couldn't do anything but be scared. It was a scary thing. You feel really, really helpless when you're paralyzed. As far as being paralyzed, I highly don't recommend it. Not something to put on your bucket list. I hadn't put it on my bucket list, but somehow it had got there. And I wound up paralyzed for a moment in time. now I'm there. I couldn't make the car payments, so now I'm without a car, and I'm still recovering from the stroke. I'm just glad to be alive. I hug my dog every day. Everybody should, but it's everybody's different. But yeah, so my right lung is weaker than it should be. So I can't really bike ride a huge amount. And but I'm actually talking better now, and I'm actually able to walk better, and my right hand's working, and so everything's kind of working out for the best it can for this world, you know. At least I'm not a federal worker, you know. But yeah, she's smells something that makes her want to totally delay. So I'll let her kick around in her sniffing. But we're about a mile and a half apart on Templeton Gap. And come on. I gotta do it the old-fashioned way. There we go. Oh. Okay. I have to go one direction, Ladybug. The only thing we got to do is head this direction. 7:31. Still having to cut a video. I try to make each video 10 minutes. This will be called probably Post Dog Walk. I was at the therapist today. I was trying to type stroke recovery walk. Got a bunch of other YouTubers. I didn't see my name in there. So I'm not gonna bother with that right now. I'm more want to pull her to the top. So I gave her my site address of my YouTube so she could see the kind of recovery I have been going through. You know, this is all. My YouTube finally got a life out of me having a stroke, because now I can document my walks and document my recovery from the stroke, and of course I could only do it when I could walk with a cane and hold the camera at the same time, and that's a pretty tedious act. And now we're going to spend the next minute sniffing this area. Something smells good. Usually mice at this point in this grass. No rabbits. Well, yeah. Yep, it's gonna be a good 10-minute loud enough video. I don't have to turn the sound up, though I admit that I need to be able to breathe a lot better before I can talk loud enough. Like back when I used to be on the construction side, I'd be able to yell over the heavy equipment, but now it's for that right lung was in the right side of the body that had the stroke, and it's been 10 minutes, so let's call her.